Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. This particular boat is powered by a Mercury 200 Verado engine, stainless steel ski tow bar on the transom, stainless steel boarding ladder on the transom as well. As you'll see, this does have the stainless railing with the chains that connect. Gives you a big spot here on the aft of the boat. This has the single lounger layout. Plenty of storage underneath. You've got the JL audio stereo system with speakers and remote control on the back, and a remote control there on the port side. As we enter the boat, has a lot of seating here in the U-shaped seating in the cockpit. This is going to have twin batteries with a dual battery switch. Coming forward, you're going to have the upgraded helm chair with flip-up bolster and flip-up armrest. This does have the wireless charging port for your cell phone. Again, digital throttle shift, push-button controls, total lighting package, tilt wheel steering. Again, the JL audio upgrade stereo system, and the big SIMRAD navigation here at the helm on the dash. Come forward, do have a lockable glove box, in-floor ski locker storage, and plenty of seating forward with flip-down armrest in the bow. This concludes our walkthrough of the 2020 Harris 230 Solstice. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.